All right, guys, we are in Floridablanca right now, and it is raining. It's been raining pretty hard all the way down here. And like I said, rain or shine, we are out today. We are out of Angeles City, and it's just nice to get out. So anyways, we're in Floridablanca. Right here is the Floridablanca Sports Center, and that's where we're at. We're just going to take a little walk around Floridablanca here and check out the area, check out what's in Floridablanca. Hello. Yeah, that's the sports center. Obviously basketball court, right? Yeah, basketball court over there. We're up near, I think we're up near the market. I think I seen the market as we were coming through here. A little vendors set up, selling things. There's a church here. Let's check out this church. You want to walk in there? Look at the church. St. Joseph the Worker Parish. Hey, we'll take a little stroll in here. I have been to Floridablanca, but not in Floridablanca, the city of Floridablanca, or the, the main area. Boy, that's a neat looking old church, isn't it? I'm sure there's history behind it. The old bell tower up there. It's like a wedding. I'm not gonna go in there. It's a wedding. Sunday wedding? Sunday wedding. Parish of St. Joseph. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool looking church. Yeah. Boy, that's flooded out in there, isn't it? You know what, look? That's flooded out in there. Yeah, that's all flooded out. Hello. Hello. Shot for the hole, look. Drugstore, salon. Reminds you of like just a small, tiny little town back in Pennsylvania that you just would drive through out in the country. It's Sunday, so a lot of things are closed.
Space for it.
There you go. Yeah, everything's closed on Sunday. Fruits over there. It's like a little grocery store, huh? Little grocery store there. Hot and diesel. There's one thing about the trucks here compared to back in the States. Like these trucks just seem a lot bigger, almost like they're on steroids. That's how big these trucks are. I walk down here. Like I said, I've never been here, so I'm just walking around and I'm a tourist. I'm a tourist here in Floridablanca.
Hi.
Hello. There's another store.
Grocery store.
Yeah.
Like, very big site like
Yeah. What's over here? Cakes. Bakery. That's their market in there. Looks like a little market back in here. Yeah, it's a market. Gotta keep your umbrella up because they got tarps, but it leaks through. Yeah. Hey. Good. How are you? Yeah, just this is their market.
No, the market.
Well, this is the clothing market. Reminds you of like Apple Market, huh? That's the what? Up here I can take it down because this has a roof on it. Huh? Need to what? Oh, all right. Well, let's get out of here. Hey, let's walk over here. They got like a, well, they got an awning you can get underneath. I don't know. Pretty nice market here, huh? Pretty nice size. Pretty nice size market. Don't know. see.
All my kind of
Just more market. Yeah, we'll take a stroll in here.
I think the food stand.
On the other side. Yeah. It's a pretty nice sized market. Oh no, no thank you. Walking. Alright. Eggs. It's a nice size egg. Egg.
Yung mag-ayos ka rin na.
Fruit. There's your meats, your chickens and eggs and fruits or vegetables, all back in here. It's a nice market. I like this market.
Yeah,
Look out there. Fruits out there. See it?
the market is more like kind of
Here's some fruit. Fruit. Yeah, out there is all your fruit. Here's all your fruits. Here's look. Hello. Look. I don't know what Look's after. Look, what are you after? Avocado.
What you want to get these?
Are they any good?
Yeah.
Why do they look so small?
Actually, this is the nice one because there's no bones in it. Or there is no seeds in it.
There's no seeds.
Yeah. Like a half kilo then.
Whatever.
Some?
Whatever. I always thought they were bigger.
Yeah, there's a different kind of sizes.
Oh.
There's different kind of sizes in there. But this one is that there's no seeds in it, and the big one there is seeds in it.
Alright.
So would you like to take the big one or this one?
It don't matter. This fountain is here right next to what, the sports arena and the market. Pretty nice little fountain they got going on here, little seating area. And it's clean. There's no trash all over. I think it's a pretty clean area here in Floridablanca. But
Oh, there's a fish pad.
oh, there's fish in there. Oh wow. There is fish in here. And guess what? It's not tilapia. It's not tilapia.
Oh no, I
They're like a goldfish. Like a koi. And nobody's eating them? Wow. Yeah, this is nice here. Let's come back here some other time and just
there's a fish a lot over there.
spend some more time up here in Floridablanca. And I'm sure there's a lot more to Floridablanca than where we're at. All right, now we are like, I guess you would call it the city area of Floridablanca. We're kind of like on the outskirts here where the market and everything was. This is the main road coming down through here. Municipality of Floridablanca. Sure don't get run over. You got the Jollibee, you got the 7-Eleven, you got the Chow King. Yeah, this is a neat little barangay. You know what? Look. I said this is a neat little barangay. Yeah.
That's kind of small, but it's very quick to reach there.
Yeah. Everybody wants to give me a trike ride. Oh no. Everybody's very friendly here too, very warm, smiling. Yeah. I must say, that little town we were in earlier, I don't even know the name of it. Yeah, that place. And Floridablanca, the people here seem to be the friendliest, warmest people that I've run into in a long time here. When these people say hello and smile, it's like, you know what, they're sincere, you can tell. I mean, everybody's smiling, everybody's waving. Like I said earlier, when I was up in Mabalacay City, it seemed like, you know, I was an outcast, like I shouldn't have been up there. I didn't belong. That's just kind of how I felt. That's how I felt walking around there. Feel completely different walking around here. Like I said, these people are smiling with a warm smile. Oh, go ahead. Don't want to get run over. Oh, you don't want to get hit. It's a red car, so you better watch out. You want to get something at Chow King, Lut?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to head into Chow King and get something to eat. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this little walk up around Floridablanca here. Like I said, Floridablanca, nice little barangay. Very clean, people very friendly. What else? Anything else, Lut? I mean, what do you think about Floridablanca? Nice. Yeah, nice. But anyways, before I wrap this one up, we got one more stop we have to hit before we go home, and I will wrap it up when we hit that stop. All right, guys, this is what we are stopping for, crabs. I noticed this on the way down. These guys are selling crabs, and yes, they are alive. They're alive. Yeah, by the kilo. Magkano per kilo?
550, sir.
550 per kilo for the crabs. What's in the jar, Lut?
Oh, that is egg crab.
Crab egg. Egg crab.
Egg crab.
Egg crab. Where do the crabs come from?
Bataan, sir.
Bataan.
Bataan.
Okay, saan yung
Yeah, they got these little crab stands set up all the way down through here. And you stop and they will sell them by the kilo. So that is what we are doing. We are stopping for crabs. And we are going to have crabs tonight. There they are, guys. So we're heading home now and we're going to eat some crabs for dinner.